So can chiropractic help with numbness and tingling? Oftentimes patients can come in with numbness and tingling in their hands and sometimes in their feet as well. And what we found is that oftentimes people think that it's carpal tunnel. The nerve that comes through the carpal tunnel here can sometimes get irritated and cause pain in the hands. Well, oftentimes we have to look up a little bit higher. The same nerve that comes through the hand here and through the wrist has to come out through the neck. So a person who's sitting at a computer with their neck forward a lot can cause some stress in the neck, which can cause some irritation to the nerve and cause symptoms of numbness and tingling. So by making sure your spine is properly aligned and you're sitting properly with proper posture, you can help solve your numbness and tingling problems.